just flying a drone.
What?
Oh, I just like flying drones.
Yeah, not outside the police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I'm really, really sorry about that. I should have known better.
No. Sorry.
So what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Okay. So should I not be doing that?
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up. All right.
Okay. Well, I think someone's going to come and see you.
There's really no need.
It begins with a tense exchange. She steps in right away, declaring that filming isn't allowed and warning that others will be called to intervene. What makes this moment striking isn't just her words, but the posture behind them. The way her tone carries an assumption of wrongdoing before anything has even been discussed. No mention of any law. No explanation. Just a warning wrapped in the threat of escalation. From the start, the atmosphere shifts from conversation to confrontation, setting the stage for everything that follows.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer and you're
are you?
doing this, under the police station, so why are you here?
I'm really sorry.
Well, you know that it's a police station, so why are you doing this in here? Is that you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So who are you guys? Like, you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on, right.
What do you mean, hang on? Can you no, get your hand off me.
Can we call a unit, please?
No, hold on. What are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, bring it down now. No, I don't. Because you're looking into the backyard of the police station.
What, is that not allowed?
No, it's not allowed.
Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah.
I just identify myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you just have right.
So are the girls.
Can you get some uniform police here, please?
Yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No, you're not leaving now.
What, am I detained? What's going on
Well, you're
then?
not leaving
No,
now.
I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filming the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving.
So what?
What happens next borders on unbelievable. As he attempts to walk away, a simple question is asked. Am I being detained? The officers stumble, dodge, and avoid answering, as the concept of due process is foreign to them. Not one can cite the law. Not one offers a legitimate reason. Instead, silence fills the air, punctuated by empty authority. This isn't effective policing. It's a display of power without substance. A uniform does not grant immunity from incompetence, and what we see here is a cluster of officers unable or unwilling to justify their actions. Under Section 2 apace, they are legally required to explain what law they're acting under and why. Instead, we're left with contradictions, evasions, and what amounts to an unlawful detention.
What's going on?
Is anyone calling you?
So what am I detained under? Otherwise, I'm
No, 'cause
leaving.
we need to know what footage you've got.
No,
on
you
your
don't need
phone
to look.
and
You don't need to look at
Yeah,
anything.
because you're
No, you
filming
don't.
the police station.
And I can film it. No, sorry, I'm leaving. Get your hand off me. Don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
That's mine.
Why are you taking photos of me?
Is anyone-
Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get someone
You just
to
assaulted
calm
me
down.
numerous times without even detaining me. So what's going on?
You did.
You did. You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away. We've asked you to.
So I'm not
stay
trying to
here.
run away. I've
Get
asked you a
someone
question.
to
Am I
look.
detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you're outside police station.
I can
Which
be
is
outside the
wrong.
police
No, you
station.
can't.
Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at the
I don't have a
back.
police business. I don't need
Well,
to
so
have.
why are you
Because
here
I'm
when
allowed to
you're
fly it.
drunk?
I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you're
Of
not.
course I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed to
you're
fly
not.
it.
Go to the park and fly it, but
No, I
not
want to
over
fly
the
it here.
police station.
You don't own the airspace, do you?
Neither are you. I said go to the park, not
What do you
over
mean,
the
go
police
to the park? Are you
station.
my
The situation escalates further. An officer insists that drone flying is not permitted here. Yet again, no reference to legislation, no nod to Civil Aviation Authority guidance, and no mention of the drone code. Just an empty claim thrown out with confidence but zero legal footing. The DJI Mini 2 falls under the sub 250-gram category, meaning it can be flown in most public areas, even near buildings, so long as it doesn't create a safety risk or breach restricted airspace. But instead of acknowledging that The officers act as though a national threat has just taken flight. This kind of misinformation erodes public trust. People expect clarity in facts, not officers improvising rules and banking on blind compliance.
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me. You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about, like. Why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
Well, you just tried to. You lot have just put hands on me numerous times.
Over the police
I can't have it
station.
over the
No,
police
you
station.
can't.
Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you
multiple
didn't.
Times.
No,
I
you
already
didn't.
did
Who are you?
multiple times.
Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
No, you lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detaining them. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't. You haven't.
So agitated.
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
Asked you a question. Why are you?
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic. That's
Why am I pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You've tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. All right, see ya. See ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine. We've got your photo anyway.
You got my photo. Now what? No, I need to make a complaint certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
what you do.
What do you mean? Of course I do. You just put hands on me.
Well, you would.
Oh, what? Because I flew a drone? What?
Yeah,
it's illegal.
over
It's
the
illegal
police-
activity.
yeah,
It's
it
illegal
is.
activity. I'm going to do it again.
Do you have a license to
Yes.
fly this? Oh,
Yes,
do
I do.
you?
I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
Well, we need a police officer. We don't need a PCSO in here.
That's very
You guys
rude,
can't
actually.
do really nothing.
No, but we've asked them to call. Asked her to call it in.
So there's nothing like funny going on here.
But what's
I need
the
to.
reason?
Can you write me down your collar number, please, so I can make a complaint?
What was the reasoning behind flying it over?
Because I want to do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to
What
do
do you
it.
want to
It's
look
not.
at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things like
No,
that?
I don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well. Yeah. So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up. Right now, I'll put it away because I don't know what you lot are going to
You
do.
can go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park. I want to have a look inside there. Yeah, I want to look in there, yeah.
Okay, then, so we can get a uniform unit. You can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under terrorist act.
Yeah,
There
what
you go.
section? Which section?
Then comes a moment almost too absurd to believe. She leans on the word terrorism as if it's a catch-all justification, yet can't even cite which section of the Terrorism Act she's referring to. It's reckless and unprofessional to throw around such a serious term without any grounding in the law. By doing so, she's not only undermining her own credibility, but also misusing one of the most powerful legal tools available to police. This isn't law enforcement. It's intimidation through confusion. And rather than strengthening her authority, it makes her look unprepared and out of her depth.
Stop recording me.
What's the what? Because you're looking like a fool. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, because
You're just playing with your hair and that, man. Why didn't you answer some questions? So which section of the Terrorism Act? Is it section 43? See, the difference between me and you, I know what I'm talking about. You don't.
do you now?
Of course I know
So
what I'm talking
why-
about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do, and we just leave it at that. Forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened. So
yeah, clearly.
would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional though, is it? Could you say your name?
No, we don't say it.
My name.
You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number's there.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's all you need. That's all you need.
That's what you don't need a designation card that lists what police powers you have. You don't need that either.
The problems don't stop there. Both PCSOs fail to provide their designation cards, offering only names and collar numbers instead. That may sound trivial, but under Section 42 of the Police Reform Act 2002, PCSOs must present their designation cards whenever exercising their powers. The card isn't symbolic. It spells out their authority and the specific powers delegated to them by the chief constable. Without it, the public has no clear way of knowing the limits of their role. Failing to produce it raises serious concerns about transparency, accountability, and whether they're acting lawfully at all.
It's okay? Who is flying the drone?
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation.
You don't?
cards.
You're sure about that?
Card is what I have on my shoulder, mate.
So you don't have a card there
I have
that
a
shows your...
designation card.
So may I see it?
You already
So I can
have
see.
the shoulder number.
I'm not- I'm speaking to her, I'm not speaking to you.
Mate, can I understand why you're
Mate.
flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand why you're flying the drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said
Okay.
I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our
Yeah,
premises.
yeah.
Why? I just want to
Because I can do it. I wanted to have a look in there.
should look into our
Yeah.
into the police
Yeah.
station. Have you got any reason for that?
No reason, just recreation. It's a hobby.
Near police buildings.
In a police building?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, it's you.
Am I free to go, yeah?
It's you that is flying the
So
drone.
you're a sergeant, can you take my complaint? So a few of your
What's
colleagues and that,
what's your
they put hands on me and stuff like that when...
Because obviously we got
Yeah,
to
no, you can't
understand
just put
what's
hands
going
on me
on.
though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes, I didn't even know you're police.
But
Do you know what I mean? I have a right to defend myself. What would happen if I put hands on you?
I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now, I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over
No,
there-
I don't need to stand nowhere.
Mate, listen.
Don't make me nothing. Call me sir for one, and if you're going to detain me, tell me...
Throughout the encounter, the auditor keeps pressing with direct questions. It's not antagonism. It's exercising rights every citizen has. And his persistence matters because vague answers or outright silence from officers often signal unlawful stops or misconduct. By asking, he forces accountability. By refusing to answer, they expose themselves.
You ain't going to put hands on me.
No, I will not be. But we would like to understand why.
You're not going to put hands on me. You don't need to understand nothing. Tell me that I'm detained under something and I'll stay. If not, then I'm not staying nowhere. So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
Sorry, who have you called?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no point. If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way.
I haven't put my
If
hands
if
on
you try and
I
stop me
have
from
not
leaving,
put
I'm
my
going to push you out the
hands.
way. If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively. If anyone puts hands on me, you're going to get put off me. Do you understand?
Right. I do not.
Yeah?
I do not want to escalate.
All right, good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me,
Hold on a
hold on.
second.
So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
On your radio, can you use your radio?
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
Don't put hands on me. You
understand?
don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone over
Right.
there.
Right.
Don't
You
put hands on
cannot
me.
just
Don't
fly
put
a
hands on me.
drone.
Yeah, I
I
can
want
fly
to
a drone.
understand. Listen.
Okay,
I'm detaining you. Can I understand why are you?
You don't need to
flying
understand
drone
anything.
that's
What are you
going
expecting
into-
to find? You've just searched me under section 1 of PACE. What are you expecting to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
This is none of your business.
So because this is a police premises, can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me
Mate,
right
who-
now?
who
Are you
detained-
not meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just
who
said section
detained
1 of
you?
PACE.
Paraded Mel with a drone at Green Police Station, who's now kicking off, causing a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I for 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping me, search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you
Listen,
trying to find
listen,
drugs?
mate.
Are you
Mate.
trying to find weapons? I don't understand. But what are you trying to find? You're talking about section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of PACE. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone
would
over
hope
the
so, yeah,
police
'cause it's
station?
lawful to
Is
do
it
so.
that? Is it that
Well, it's
what you
lawful- it's
expect?
lawful to do so.
But is it that what you
Yeah, that
expect?
is what I
Nothing's
expect.
going to happen.
That's what
Yeah.
well, I don't expect
okay,
this.
So
I certainly
you
don't
very
expect.
much
I
mistaken.
certainly don't expect
so
this.
you very much
I
mistaken.
certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I
So
asked you to put hands on me and
therefore,
surround
you
me
are
and
in a position where you
threaten to
are
search
at the
me in
moment.
section 1 of PACE. I did that, did I?
Yes,
You're the
you
one that
did.
launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit. Like,
Well,
we
yeah,
could've just
because
had a
you
conversation.
were flying
If you could have
drone
just waited
over
for
the
some
police
comms. You
station.
could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
They stopped and said, why are you flying a drone? And you
You know what? I don't think you're in the right job. Like, you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, and now you've put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What sticky situation, mate?
Because bro, you just messed up, bro. You just put hands on me, section 1 of pace. All now, so what are the grounds for the search? So I'm detained now, yeah? I'm detained under section 1 of pace.
Yeah.
But no one's speaking
I need
to you,
to find
please.
out what's going on, please. Just
So
give
you
me
can't
1
detain
minute.
me to find out what's going on, Sergeant?
Listen, if you're flying a drone, what they have told me, if you have flown a drone into this premise,
But how does that suggest that I got weapons or drugs or stolen
mate,
goods
I
on
do
me
not. I
under
want
section
to
1
know
of pace?
what
So why have you used section 1 power?
I need to.
No, answer the question. No, answer the question, please. I have a right to know why you've used the section 1 power.
It's his powers. He can use the powers he wants. They're not your powers, aren't they?
Well, all right, I have a right to know why he's using the power.
Well, he
as a
gave
citizen who's subject to the same power. He didn't give me anything.
He gave you his
You just put him in a
information.
situation where he felt like he had to detain me. He couldn't think on the spot, so he's come up with section 1 of pace. What the hell is going on here? Why have none of you lot in uniform as well? Could you please stop interjecting? No, I understand, but you're familiar with section 1 of pace. You've used section 1 of pace. Is it a search power or is it a stop power?
If he feels as if he needs to use section 1 pace,
It's not really answering the question, is it? It's not about feelings, is it? It's not about I feel like I want to use section 1 of pace.
I don't need to answer it.
Then why are you answering?
If he feels he needs to use his section 1 pace power, he can use his section 1 pace.
It's not good. It's not good, Patel, man. Like, you should know better than that, bro. Come on. You know it's a search power. We all know it's a search power.
I know it's a search.
So all right. So what's this right now?
Okay.
What's going on right now?
Detained by him. I can't justify
Okay.
his actions.
No, you don't have any sort of idea, any sort of opinion.
That's up to him.
I'm not asking you to justify anything. I'm just asking you. We can all agree that it's a search power.
One, but I have to stop you now under section 42 of the Terrorism Act.
So am I still detained under section 1?
No, you're not detained under section.
Okay, so I'm free to go now, yeah?
No, you're not free. But I can tell you now.
Okay.
You've been detained under section 43 of the Terrorism.
Then comes the breaking point. An officer first invokes section 1 of pace, a search power tied to suspicion of stolen goods or weapons. Moments later, without explanation, he drops that line of authority and pulls out his phone, scrolling through to read section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Yes, you heard that right. Googling the law mid-interaction. This isn't a small mistake. It's deeply alarming. Section 43 allows stop and search only when there is reasonable suspicion that someone is a terrorist. Here, no grounds are given, no threat identified, no intelligence shared, just a camera and a drone. This isn't sloppy. It's a direct misuse of legislation and a dangerous precedent.
What I'll be doing now, I will need to see that what you're videoing. I have to review it. Then if we are happy, then I can give it back to you. But at the moment, you've been detained on that section, okay?
And if I don't give it to you?
I won't have, you know what is going to
What's going to happen?
Listen, mate, listen. All I want you, I just want us to do this amicably.
Well, we haven't really dealt with it very amicably. Like, you've tried to, but why have you been dragged into this situation? You should have just kept it moving.
Sergeant. If anything is happening in my station,
But nothing's happening in your station.
Obviously, but
So
they
do
told
you
me
think
of
I'm a terrorist? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist right now? What does that mean? Do you suspect that I'm a terrorist?
But
You don't know.
if you're
Well,
flying
you need to
a-
know.
if you're- if you're
There needs to
flying
be
a
some.
drone-
There needs to be some objective
Listen,
basis. No, I don't want to be handcuffed.
no.
I don't want to be handcuffed.
No,
Get your hand
I've
off me.
asked you
All right, under duress.
politely.
Get your hand off me.
It's
Under
not-
duress. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
Please.
Because if not, you're going to seize it from me, yeah? So this is the one that was plugged into the controller.
Can I see the device you're using, please?
This is the drone.
This is a drone. Can I... Listen, mate.
Go on, look.
Thank you. Yeah, we have to review everything. Has anybody got a bag here?
What do you want? Evidence?
Yeah, evidence bag, please.
Why do you want evidence? You're going to seize it?
Yes,
You're seizing it all, yeah?
yes. Yeah,
Why? You just said you wanted to review the footage.
yeah. That's what. Is it not what I said?
Say again?
Yeah.
In your time, yeah?
So where does that leave us? The law is clear. Flying a drone under 250 grams in public airspace, even near a police station, is legal. Officers must have reasonable grounds and follow strict procedure if they want to detain or search you. They must identify themselves properly, state the law they are acting under, and ensure any physical contact is proportionate and lawful. The Terrorism Act cannot be invoked at will. It's reserved for serious threats. This case highlights broader issues about how police interact with the public and the limits of their authority. rights to film in public, to ask questions, and to expect lawful explanations are non-negotiable. And when those rights are ignored, citizens have a duty to stay informed, hold officers accountable, and protect the rule of law. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider subscribing and sharing. It supports independent research and keeps these important discussions alive.